How to debug the bottle clamping delay time. Adjust the position of the guardrail according to the diameter of the cup. Pay attention to the position of the cup cylinder. First debug front, then back, finally up. Then test sensor. Test with the cup to see if the light is on. If it doesn't light up, further adjustment is needed. Enter the parameter page, debug bottle clamping delay time. Enter the parameter page R, click the bottle clamping delay. Enter the manual page, click on rear cup flapper cylinder, open conveyor belts, and test if the current time matches. If it's slow, reduce the delay. If it's fast, increase the delay. After adjustment, enter the parametric recipes and save the recipe. Finally, enter the automatic page and click Reset to return the machine position to its initial state.